They say good things attract even more good things, and we firmly believe that's true. At Innovative Roofing, we know this because, over the past 14 years, we've worked with thousands of families, giving their roofs a second life. And honestly, nothing has been a better marketing campaign than their satisfaction. Today, more than 80% of our new projects come from referrals, and that's the ultimate proof of our commitment to quality. We could make a video telling you why you should choose a trusted company like us, but we'd rather let our clients tell you why we're the roofing contractor you need for your next project. Brett and Anthony are involved in every project. Whether it's at the planning stage or during the actual work, they are there, making sure your roof gets the attention it deserves and everything turns out perfectly. You're hiring a team that shows up when they say they will. We believe time is valuable, and prioritizing yours is our first way of showing respect. We know your home is your most important asset, and we make sure to be on time and ready to protect it. You're working with a company that values hard and smart work. With Innovative Roofing, you'll have a multi-certified, licensed, and fully insured team putting everything they've got into your project. We're committed to meeting all your timelines and delivering quality requirements every step of the way. You'll have honest and clear communication from day one. As homeowners ourselves, we know how frustrating it can be when companies are misleading or try to upsell you just to pad their profits. That's why we're always transparent, straightforward, and responsible with your budget, offering cost-efficient services and added value with every project. One of the most rewarding parts of our job is the privilege of being part of your home and making a lasting difference. If you've worked with us before, thank you for welcoming us into your home. And if we haven't yet, we can't wait for the chance to earn your trust. We're here to help. Innovative Roofing.